Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today we will learn how to make a graph in Google Sheets in a simple and easy way. This video will help you turn your data into a clear and visual chart for better understanding. Step 1. Open a spreadsheet in Google Sheets and organize your data with clear headers in the first row or column. This step is important because headers help Google Sheets understand what your data represents and correctly label the graph. Step 2. Select the data you want to include in the graph by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells. Selecting the correct range ensures that only the relevant values appear in your chart. Step 3. Go to the top menu and click on Insert, then choose Chart from the drop-down. Google Sheets will automatically create a chart and open the Chart Editor panel on the right side of the screen. Step 4. In the Chart Editor under the Setup tab, choose the chart type that best fits your data, such as a bar chart, line graph, pie chart, or scatter plot. Choosing the right chart type makes your data easier to read and compare. Step 5. Switch to the Customize tab to edit titles, axis labels, colors, fonts, and other design options. Customizing the appearance helps make your graph more clear, professional, and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Google Sheets tutorials.